did I create this course.
Now, if you do watch this video, you're gonna get a masterclass on everything Videojet DataFlex 6530 flowchart for a touchscreen, for a cassette, for other issues. This will help you systematically diagnose the root cause of your issue. But this section isn't just about taking things apart. We're gonna learn why we take things out. Intermittent versus continuous, left hand versus right hand, cassette, touchscreen, printer, what do those things mean? What does calibration mean? Pixels are individually heated to melt that ink, causing it not to transfer. So that's something to look out for. Everything is assembled and now we are ready to print. Let's break this printing process down into the most minute detail possible to give you the best understanding of what's actually going on and maybe where some of the errors can come from and what to look for when an error happens.